Hi everybody, today's focus, I am cleaning out a bathroom Ptrap because I have a sluggish drain. Usually about once or twice a year, my husband cleans out all the bathroom Ptraps just because they have a tendency to build up some gunk and eventually they get a little sluggish and slow draining. But today, I'm going to be brave and I'm going to do it myself. So in order to get started, I have to remember what my husband gets when he usually cleans out the Ptraps. He usually has like a bucket, a container to like hold water, gloves, and paper towels. I think that's all he usually uses. So I'm just gonna head right into the bathroom and try to clean out this Ptrap. My bucket is too big, so I found the Swiffer container. It fits under there nicely. I think all I'm supposed to do is unscrew this. No, it's just hand tight. Oh, that's not bad. Okay, hold on. Okay, got that one, I think. And undo this one. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Oh, I can't move it. I'm literally not strong enough to turn this. It did move and now it won't. So I have to walk out to my husband's workshop to go through his tools to see if I can find a wrench or vice grips or something. Oh. So now I have to find where he keeps like grippy things. Let's check in here. Whoops. No. Ooh. Wrench. Oh, maybe if I could find a crescent wrench. Alright, I found some of these. I wonder if this one's going to be big enough. Alright, so I found some tools. So hopefully these will help. Oh, that fits, kinda. Oh, yes, it's working. Yeah, that one's working. I'm sure this is really painful for some people to watch. If I can just move it enough, I can do it with my hand. Not yet. I should probably put my gloves on. This is not easy. So I called in my son and he was strong enough to do it.
This piece has the threads.
Yeah.
Like you can see the threads right there. So this piece righty-tighties onto the threads. Even though it looks like I'm twisting left right now, it's getting tighter onto this.
So how do I loosen now?
You do this.
Okay.
So yeah, we were going the right way.
Okay, stop then. Because it's going to come out, you need gloves. Nasty. So now that one is loosening. This one is, I think, loosening. Not this way.
You're twisting the wrong way.
This way?
Yes.
God, I just can't. It's gross. But it's all, like it's clogged.
Yep.
Ooh, gross. Alright, hold on. Am I doing this one the wrong way now?
No, that one, the one on the left, is just, left loose.
Okay. Ugh!
That's it.
Gross. There's all sorts of gross stuff in here. Ooh, it stinks. No, I'm gonna clean it out, honey. You can leave. No, it's alright. Ugh.
Yippee. Oh, landing.
Gross.
Oh, my Grinch pajamas are in the background. Let's go!
Let's go. Alright, so it stinks. Alright, we're gonna try to just clean this out. gross. Should let my husband do this from now on. Maybe if I just stick a thing up here and then, oh, I don't want to lose it. Pull it out. I'd much rather test bacteria. Ugh, this is so gross. It's just all sorts of yuck. Ugh. Oh, it smells so bad. Okay, I'll just kind of put a paper towel in here. Try to pull it out here. Ugh, yuck. It stinks. Well, it's clean. Look, it's clean. Look how nice and clean that is now. I kind of want to spray it with Mrs. Myers or something to make it smell better. Oh, so there's more gunk up there. I wonder if I can... I'm going to get a little thing to go down that way. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay. I'm going to try one of these. Yuck. Oh, it's stuck. Yuck. Uh-oh. Oops. Yuck. Yuck. I kind of wish I had stronger paper towels. I don't really want to do that. I think that's gonna help it drain better. Like, it's not perfect. I'm still getting gunk out. Maybe I'll try to put this thing back on now. Over here. This goes over here. Hold on, am I doing that wrong? Yeah, that goes. This is opposite of like the way I want to twist it. Right now I'm going to leave that there. I'm going to turn on the water and see what happens. Just make sure we're not leaking. Okay, it looks okay here. No leaking. It's still sluggish. Okay, it's still sluggish. Oh, I heard it burp. I'm gonna do it again. I'm really not in the mood to do this again, but this way, this way. Oh, the water's gonna come out. Gross. Okay. It's just water. There's not really any gunk in here. I just can't get the gunk out. I'm doing that from the top. Oh boy, now I can't get it out.
I found it.
I'm unscrewing this.
Found it!
What?
Look!
What?
I literally just figured it out.
Oh, that's awesome.
There you are.
Gross.
I don't want to touch that.
Look.
But that's it.
Okay, so my son just unscrewed this for me, and you can see this is all gunky, so I'm gonna have to clean this. Gross. Gross. This is so gross. Look, it's all like caked in there. Ew. Okay. So I just got a bucket of water. I'm just gonna. Oh, that's working. That's much better. see down the drain. Oh, I need to get better light, I think. Hold on. Gross. So I can... Let's try putting everything back together. Okay, so this goes back here. Ugh, I don't want my arms touching anything. Back together. Okay. Oh, I don't have this in. Well, it's okay. I can still just run the water. Make sure nobody leaks. All right, doesn't look like anything's leaking. So I'm going to try to put this back in. No more sluggish drain. I did it. It was gross and disgusting and it stinks. However, with my son's help, I was able to unscrew it and clean it out just fine. So I think I might do the upstairs bathroom one too. So now I'm in my second floor bathroom and I'm gonna have my son help me get started. Put your gloves on, this is nasty. It's gonna smell as soon as you do it, it's gross.
There we go. It's worse.
Okay, now what if I just leave this right here?
Yep.
So you can just like...
So now I'm supposed to see this? With how low that goes?
Oh, yeah, that's low. That's so gross,
That's
Harry.
the full goop.
That's okay, just try to put it, pull it, and then just...
I'm working on it.
Oh, gross. Sorry, I know it smells. Just put it right in there.
Great. There we go.
Okay.
It's gonna drip a little bit, okay?
Yeah, I know, it's fine. Ew. Gross. It's so gross. Uh-oh, now my paper towel's stuck. Alright, that's good enough for now. Oh my god, it's like... Oh my god, there's so
You might
much
want to put the
here.
bucket back under for that part.
Yeah, I know. I was trying to get the film on the side, like, but yeah, I think I'm gonna have
So
to.
it could be filled up with water out there.
Yeah, I know, this is... I'm just trying to... Gross. Oh, gross.
Yeah, I got this. Got it.
Is it out?
Yes. it's right out.
Gross, this is so disgusting.
Yeah, I agree.
Oh, see, yeah, exactly. Like, that's not gonna... Look at that.
Oh yeah, now you can just, oh yeah, you got a nice good view from here.
Can you see if you can see that, Mike?
Oh, of course. Yeah, that's a nice shot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so gross. Because you have to put that down and then I have to stick the pin through it.
Yep, stick.
Okay. So now,
It's stuck. Good.
should we reattach everything
Yes.
and then test it? Okay, so this one goes here. And that one goes here.
Yeah, that one on the left goes is just standard, but that's it.
Obviously, I don't want it to leak.
Yeah, I'll put a little bit of torque on it. You're going the wrong way.
I don't know which way I'm going.
The one on the right, just do reverse than what you normally do.
Okay. And we test.
It won't work.
Well, you never know.
Do cold water.
Cold.
It doesn't matter, the thing says to hold.
So I survived cleaning out the Ptraps, and I have to give a big thank you to my son Harrison, who helped me out. I couldn't have done it without him, so he was a big help. And I know this video was different than the kind of videos that I usually post here, but if it's something that you enjoyed and you want to see more videos where I'm just cleaning something, put it in the comments section, and if enough people want to see some more, then, you know, I'll post some more videos like this. Take care, have yourselves a great day.